How do I adjust the carburetor on my Echo SRM 2100 brush cutter? I am going from line to an 8 inches 8-tooth blade using the conv kit. The manual emphasizes adjusting the carb or damage to motor may occur. Do I adjust up, down? There is no clarification. SB.
Hello, what is happening that the carb needs adjusted?
I am convering from a line trimmer to an 8-tooth metal blade using the conversion kit from Echo. And in the manual it states important if non-standard monofilament head, metal/plastic blade or cultivator etc. is used, the carburetor must be reset or serious engine damage may occur. See Carburetor Adjustment pages 27 to 28 and specifications page 11 of this manual. It is an Echo SRM 2101E.
Start the trimmer and let idle a minute. If it hesitates or bogs down when you squeeze the throttle, open the low speed screw until it accelerates. When on high speed, open the H speed screw a hair until it runs good and then open a hair more so it doesn't run too lean. It is good to have an occasional sputter on high speed to ensure not running too lean. You should not have to turn the screws in, leaner. Also, in some manuals it recommends when using the blade do not run full throttle unless under a load. Vinso.41388.8572638079.
Okay, so I guess my would be, why is it necessary to adjust carb, and am I adjusting the cab to run at a higher RPM?
The blade is more of a load than the string head and could run leaner and if used for long periods of time or commercially. If I were to adjust the carb, it would be to richen it so it doesn't scream and run hot. You want to make sure it idles and accelerates properly and does not scream on high speed. Get it to where it sounds good and open it a hair more.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.